on the bus and on our way to the wedding. Here we are on the bus and on the way to the wedding. On the bus and on the way to the wedding. Yes, we are.
Look at Henry's suit.
Beautiful.
Did she see us? No, she didn't see
On the
us.
bus and on the way to the wedding. On the bus and on the way to the wedding. Hi Lily. Here we are on the bus, ready. On our way to the wedding. Woohoo!
Oh, maybe they're thinking
Rena,
of
did
getting
you
a
already-
bus now.
Hey?
Maybe they're thinking of catching a bus now. Nice choice.
Yeah,
Who picked it? Did you pick it yourself?
we did. Zani didn't want me to.
That's nice.
Zani didn't want me to wear it because the same colour as her dress, pink. But I thought it was a good fit. And here we are on our way.
Get out the way the people can
Oh, come! Oh, so sorry. So sorry. Now the guys in the back of us. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful. Looks so beautiful. Here we go, here we go. Let's go, let's go. Hey! Let's do a twirl.
I think so, because they were looking at the bus and then talking. They're looking at the bus.
Are they coming?
I don't know, they might. I think they are.
I must say that Hen looks really great now. Henry, he's good. Looks
Still
good.
waving at them.
Yeah. Look at Catchay. Everyone coming in. Hi, welcome.
Party time, party bus.
The party bus. We're pretty cool party bus though. We don't like. Bye bye. Hi, hello. Whee! You all look stunning. You were welcome. Woohoo! Gorgeous. Look beautiful. We're doing a twirl. That's lovely. These are all the guests. That's Chris's mum. Here we are. Wow. Hello.
Yeah, get on the party bus.
Hey, you two, hurry up.
Oh no, they're just Hey, you scared them off. They came there.
Oh, what's happening?
I think they changed their mind again. They scared them off.
Did you go down and call them?
They scared them off.
I didn't even talk to them.
No, they're grown up.
It's fun, we're all together. They're not coming? No. Okay. Sarah and Hannah decided to go on their car. But we're going to have fun on the bus. We're all on the bus. Here we are. We're on the bus. Getting to the wedding. Woo-hoo. Okay. This is part 1, part 2 later. This is just a starting. Okay.